ChatGPT, as well as the AI tech coming out of OpenAI, is very popular right now. In the next few years, there is going to be a surge in the number of different ways you can start making money from AI tech. In this video, I thought I'd cover a few of the ways that you can start doing so right now, as well as some of the things you should prepare for in the future if you want to start making a lot of money in this field. Let's have a look. The first way to make money with ChatGPT is probably the simplest and the safest. It's to get a job in AI, or more so in using ChatGPT or OpenAI for your company or another company. This is because AI will be a growing field, especially in the next few years. As more and more people are aware of what AI can do, there's going to be a rise in job opportunities by many different companies across the board in this field. So learning about how to use OpenAI or AI in general, maybe skilling up on the ways that you can implement it, will be the best thing that you can do to start creating some opportunities for yourself. As a general example, I think AI consulting will be a big job opportunity in the upcoming future. This is because a lot of companies don't know what AI can and can't do right now for them, and they're looking for implementing AI into their products and services. This is where someone who understands how OpenAI works, how the GPT models work, and can come in and instruct those companies will be very beneficial, especially in the short term. The other type of job is for those who are developers, who are implementing products from OpenAI or even other AI platforms. There will be a lot more job opportunities for people who know Python, where you can create an API to interface with OpenAI and start building some really cool applications. The next way you can make money is by simply saving time. A lot of people that currently do things like copywriting or marketing proposals or even creating template files, all things that are text-based, can use AI services to save their time by having AI assist to do this. Now, by this, I don't mean to have ChatGPT write out entire articles for you. While it can do this, I think AI-generated content will be punished by SEO in the future. But using it to supplement day-to-day actions is definitely something that I think it fits in quite well. This means that if, for example, you're on places like Fiverr or a freelancer and you're trying to do a lot of manual labor like this, you could make your job a lot easier, and time is money at the end of the day. So if you're saving that, you'll be making more money. The next way you can use AI to start making money is to remove tedious tasks that users are often doing. And I think there's a perfect example for this. I saw VS Code have GitHub Copilot, which writes out code for you using OpenAI's models. I've seen plugins which use GPT to write out an email for you, so you don't have to manually write that out yourself. And this brings me to my next example, which is to build your own products and services around OpenAI. There's a number of ways to do this, and I did this myself when I sponsored myself and put together a starter kit so people can use OpenAI and its models to build their own business. I even also put together ChatGPT as a local development environment that you can have on your own machine, and I even built it for Discord so people can implement ChatGPT and its OpenAI models to start interacting with community members. All of these are just some of the products I've put together in just a few weeks, and yet there are many, many more possibilities. The other type is to also build course content around this, which means that there's going to be a lot of need for education in the future, whether that's Udemy courses or even just your own YouTube tutorials. I created my own tutorial on a second channel I have, which only has 1,000 subscribers. It was about AI art and web design, and how you can combine them together using Midjourney to make some beautiful looking websites. That video and that channel is now at 50,000 subscribers, and it shows how not just ChatGPT is a popular subject right now, but AI in general in many fields can do quite well. So my advice to you is that if you've always been thinking of doing a YouTube channel and you want to see how AI can play a big part into the niche you're in, AI topics are going to be seeing a rise in the next few months as more people are becoming more aware of the kind of things it can do and they want to learn more about it. And finally, the most important way to make money with things like ChatGPT is to simply ask ChatGPT how to do so. Whether you're an accountant or, for example, a copywriter or even a YouTuber like myself, you could ask ChatGPT how to write out these ideas and even write out the scripts for the videos themselves. So maybe I'm not actually saying this. Maybe this whole video has been ChatGPT.